Good morning to all of you. Welcome back to Hospitality Engineering. Today we will continue HVAC module Pump Module 2 Part 10. We will see here introduction of the pump. A pump is a machine that conveys mechanical energy to a liquid in order to increase its rate of flow and static pressure. Pumps can be classified into two classes: positive displacement pumps and dynamic pumps, and each of them has his own types. We see here types of pumps. Pumps can be classified basically dynamic and positive displacement. Under the dynamic category, centrifugal, radial flow, axial flow, mixed flow, whereas positive displacement can be classified as reciprocating and rotary. Further, positive displacement, reciprocating, plunger, pistons, diaphragm. In rotary type, gear, external, internal, screw, progressive, cavity, sliding vents. These all are comes as different types of pumps. Positive displacement pump. Positive displacement pump, which includes both reciprocating and rotary pumps, are characterized by the fact that they deliver a known quantity of liquid with each stroke or rotation. You can see in this picture. Reciprocating pump. Reciprocating pumps. Reciprocating pumps include three principal types: piston pumps, plunger pumps, and diaphragm pumps. Reciprocating pumps can be either single acting or double acting. What do you mean single acting? Single acting means they displace liquid on the forward stroke only, whereas double acting means they displace liquid both forward and reverse strokes. Rotary pumps. Rotary pumps operated through the meshing action of your gears, lobes, screw type shaft, or some other device. The rotation of these elements causes liquid to be trapped at the suction end of the pump and move towards the discharge end. Dynamic pumps. The dynamic pumps operated by drawing liquid into the center of a spinning impeller, which throws the liquid outward at an increased velocity. As a liquid leaves the impeller and makes contact with the pump casing, some of this velocity is converted to pressure. Dynamic pumps are not as readily differentiated by mechanical type as are positive displacement pumps. Some of the features used to classify centrifugal pumps include impeller design and the number of stages. You can see the pictures: dynamic pumps, which is a centrifugal pumps having the impeller at center. There is a inlet, water goes in the eye of the impeller. You can see the outlet. Then there is a volute chambers, casing, impeller vane, drive shaft, and eye. Types of pump operation. Pump can be operated in series or pump can operate in parallel. You can see both in this diagram. Purpose of pumps: transferring the liquid from one place to another place, transferring the liquid from low elevation to high elevation, increasing the flow rate. Early pumping system. In olden days, inside of the pumps, they used various mechanisms which are shown in these pictures. Chain of ports, Noria with free swings bucket. Also, there are the various type of wheel which is used to lift the pumping. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe to our channel. If not, please subscribe it, share and comment it.